Are you looking for the best stand mixers in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best stand mixers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. New bakers who want fluffy dinner rolls or stunning layer cakes should start with a versatile, reliable mixer. That's where Oxma's 6.5-quart stand mixer comes in. The 660-watt machine is Amazon's best-selling stand mixer and features a heavy-duty motor and easy-to-use speed dial for exceptional results. From slowly mixing in chunky ingredients like nuts to quickly whipping egg whites, Oxma's stand mixer is flexible enough for a wide range of recipes. Its double-handed stainless steel bowl is roomy enough for big batches, and the appliance comes with a beater, dough hook, and whisk for all your baking projects. It's controlled by a tactile speed dial and features non-slip feet that keep the machine stable as it operates. One happy customer wrote, "Since COVID started, my 14-year-old has been learning lots of new recipes. This mixer is perfect for her. In just a few short days she's made bagels, French bread, and biscotti. Thankfully we have lots of neighbors to share with. Very easy to use and clean." Number 4. Ready for a top-of-the-line mixer for superior baking? Ankarsrum's original kitchen machine is an excellent choice. The Swedish-designed appliance is a favorite of baking experts at King Arthur Baking, which calls the machine the gold standard of mixers for bread baking. Made of incredibly sturdy chrome and steel, the 600-watt mixer is strong enough to mix heavy doughs and yeasted breads without overheating. Additionally, the Ankarsrum's unique motor and base design gives several advantages. It keeps the mixer from rocking as it works, makes it much easier to add ingredients to the bowl, and means the machine fits conveniently under overhead cabinets. What's more, the base turns on its side to transform into a wide variety of other kitchen tools, including a juicer, a blender, a meat grinder, and a pasta maker. The Ankarsrum original kitchen machine is so popular that it's earned a noteworthy 4.7-star rating from hundreds of reviewers who say the device is powerful, durable, and high quality. After burning up my third KitchenAid for home use, mainly bread making, I gave up, a reviewer who is a professional baker wrote. After researching all of the options I finally bit the bullet and purchased the Ankarsrum. And, as is usually the case, I should have done it 2 KitchenAids ago. It works effortlessly through heavy dough and works like a dream through all my other mixing tasks. Number 3. Affordable than our top pick, but with a similar tilt-back motor hub design, this Cuisinart stand mixer is a great choice for beginner bakers, brand devotees, or anyone who wishes to save a few dollars on a stand mixer without sacrificing quality or power. It's constructed of metal, has a 500-watt motor, and can be operated at 12 different speeds with the turn of a dial. It features a 5.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, which offers plenty of capacity for cakes, cookies, and breads, and comes with a whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddles, and splash guard with pouring spout. Customers who chose the Cuisinart over more expensive stand mixers haven't regretted the choice. They say it's durable, built to last, and praise its quiet yet powerful performance. It's available in 6 colors to match a variety of kitchen decor and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. A powerful stand mixer at a fraction of the price. Opt for Hamilton Beach's machine. It features a 300-watt motor and the same planetary mixing rotation as a KitchenAid to thoroughly incorporate ingredients into batter and dough. Choose between 7 different speeds, including a gentle folding setting. The gadget's non-slip feet keep the mixer from rocking as it works. Additionally, the Hamilton Beach comes with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater for a variety of baking projects, and its 4-quart stainless steel bowl is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Thousands of shoppers, including hundreds who gave the mixers 5 stars on Amazon, swear by the appliance's effectiveness. Reviewers say it's an incredible bargain with as much mixing power as a KitchenAid. I just didn't want to pay $400 plus for another KitchenAid, and was excited to find the Hamilton Beach for a fifth the price, one reviewer said. It does everything I need a stand mixer to do. And while it doesn't have the power hub, I never used that feature, even when I had it. So, I don't miss it. Number 1. It is a culinary icon, and for good reason. The brand introduced the stand mixer to American homes back in 1919 and has held a devoted following ever since. Its celebrated Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer is a kitchen classic, designed with 10 speeds and a powerful motor to easily whip, knead, and mix ingredients. The machine accommodates more than 10 different attachments, has a tilt head designed for easy bowl access, and features an innovative hub that transforms the stand mixer for a variety of uses, including an ice cream maker, pasta maker, and spiralizer. KitchenAid's mixers are substantial in size, measuring 14 inches long by 8.5 inches wide by 13.75 inches high and weighing 26 pounds. But they also come in a rainbow of 47 color options, from blue velvet to matte dried rose, which complement a wide variety of kitchen styles if you decide to keep it out on your countertop. Users also say the sturdy build helps the appliances last for decades. Professionals and home bakers both swear by their KitchenAid Artisan mixers. It not only boasts nearly 27,000 5-star ratings on its own website, but also has thousands of enthusiastic reviews from Amazon shoppers, too. Users praise the appliance for its versatility and durability, saying it's worth the investment. One wrote how it gave her the confidence to start baking at age 60. It is a beast of a professional-grade machine that takes all the hard work out of blending, mixing, creaming, whipping, kneading, and a breeze to clean up, once all the whirring and blurring is done. I find myself actively seeking out new and fun things to try with it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.